Hello and welcome. I am the Danish Looter, and today I'll be opening Loot Crate. Aliens! Okay, I have no idea what just happened in the intro, but welcome! And yes, I am going to open this 30th anniversary crate from Loot Crate with aliens. And most people might mistake this, but this is not the first Alien movie, this is the second one, and that's why it's Aliens. But yeah, very excited about this one because Alien and Aliens in particular is one of my favorite sci-fi alien thingy movies, so very interesting. And the shape of this box is kind of weird compared to, well, any other box I've tried out before, so might be interested to see what's happening there. But Loot Crate is known to have like some box art inside, so maybe that's why the shape is a bit weird. But let's get into it and see how am I supposed to do this. Maybe I'll do it like so you won't get any spoilers. There we go. And let's... Ooh! It's the t-shirt. Are we gonna do that first? Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? And we have... Love the green color! Thank God it's not another black t-shirt. But we have... Okay, this is kind of cool because this is a bug Stomper We Endanger Species t-shirt. And if I am not mistaken, this is the logo from the dropship. And I'll probably try, if I do remember correctly, to find a picture or a clip or something and put it up here. So you can see if I am right or not. Or maybe this is the tank. I can't remember if this is the airdrop or the tank, but one of those have this logo. But you will see it here somewhere. But that is so awesome. Very bright colors. Bright red, yellow, blue. Awesome. Love the green, the army green. And not another black one. It is a Gildan and it is soft style and ring spun. And a funny thing is I ordered a medium, but I got a large, but I guess I don't mind. It seems a bit big for me, so maybe it's gonna be like a sleeping t-shirt or something like that. Anyways, very awesome. Very awesome. We're gonna put that, how we're gonna put that, like so. And the next thing is this thing, which kind of look like an egg tray. And whoa, damn, it smells. And it says Alien LV426 cage-free eggs. Contains 4 eggs and 2 facehuggers. Not for human consumption. Glow in the dark. That sounds awesome. And there's even a nutrition facts up in the corner. If my camera would work with me. I guess it's kind of hard to see, and I'm shaking. Maybe I'll take a picture and throw up here instead. But yeah, let's get inside. And it is exactly like an egg tray. That is so cool. Definitely not for human consumption. Oh my god, wow. Oh, that's so fresh vinyl. Wow. But those are cool. Ah, oh, ew, and they're kind of soft. That is... wow. But here's 2 eggs that are closed. I love the texture. Very cool. And oh my god. Those are awesome. I guess you put those down there. Oh, the smell! Wow! So intense! Ooh, ooh. But here we got the 2 other eggs. And with the face huggers inside. Ready to jump up and face hug you with... Come on, camera. Stop focusing my face. And show the huggers. Anyways, there are 2 of those guys. Very awesome. Very well made. And it's so weird because they're soft. So you can like squeeze them. I don't know if that's intentional or... But yeah. If you want to see down the egg without the face hugger, that's what it looks like. Down there. Ew. Look at the details. It's so awesome. Really, really cool. I love them. Love, 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 love them. There we go. Awesome. Bam. Very cool. And there's some safe handling instructions up there. Pretty cool. So far I love this box, but enough about that. Let's dig in some more. And oh, there's something huge inside. And there is this thing, which is the 30th anniversary Aliens, the original comic series. And that is awesome. That is like a genuine graphic novel right there. It is huge. And I am Careful. I'm taking this out because I want to look inside. There we go. Oh, that is awesome. Look at that. That is a funky metallic blue color painted on the pages. Oh, and they're kind of sticky. Oh, that's a nice sound. And I wonder if this is like if this is like the story of aliens, or before or after, or... Oh, that smells as well. It smells nice. It smells of wood. And if you want to see some of the drawings inside, it is all black and white. There you go. But it looks awesome. I'm gonna read this through at some point. I've said it earlier that I'm not that much into comic books, but this one is a nice graphic novel, and this I could easily see myself flipping through the pages. Oh, did I just see that? Oh, it's hard to see, but there's like an alien in the background. I think you can see it. That is an awesome book. Very nice. Oh, so far I love this crate. That is amazing. But let's see what this is. It is something. Something. I'm not sure what this is, but I guess I'll find out when I reach the pamphlet somewhere down there. But next up we have I think it's like a titanium seems like a titanium kind of graphic thingy of an alien mouth. Aliens, and it says something Asian is my guess down there. I don't know what it is. Maybe it says Alien 2 because it says aliens on the top. That's kind of cool. Some digital graphic. Okay, I'm gonna show you some pictures of this instead of me holding it up against the camera, because that is car. So there we go. Nice one. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And we have some cardboard thingies. I guess this must have something to do with the actual box. But again, we'll have to find out. And what do we have here? It says Top Secret Wayland Yutani Corp Bioweapon Division Confidential. And this is this is the pamphlet. So I guess I won't look into that right now because we're not done. But it seems like okay, hang on. Just gonna move this and okay, so this is, well, it appears to be the last item in the box, but it is definitely not the least. Oh, it is huge! It is a giant Titan figure of an alien. I do not know if this is glow in the dark, but it is green. It is very green and silver paint metallic something. It is a Loot Crate exclusive 6.5 inch figure. That is huge. Hang on just 1 second. Because over here I have a normal Titan vinyl, also of an alien. So if you want to see the comparison of that, it is huge. It is like, wow. Sadly though, I am not a huge fan of the Titan vinyl figures, so I do not know if I'm going to keep this or maybe give it away or sell it or whatever. Maybe I should show you the sides. This one says Alien vs Predator coming soon. I don't know if you can see those. Camera focus. I have the worst camera in the world. So there you go. Alien vs Predator. And coming soon. And the other side is from the actual Alien series. And it says blind box figures available now. And I guess the number under them is like the chance of getting the figures. And the back right there in space, no one can hear you. Collect. Okay. It is an awesome figure though. So Loot Crate gotta have some credit for that. Awesome. And yep, it was the last item in the box. So let's go over to the pamphlet and see. Dark Horse Alien 30th Anniversary Edition hardcover. That must be this one. The Box Stomper t-shirt. Oh yeah. Alien X 4-pack. Yep. Aliens 6.5 Xenomorph variant figure. Yeps. And the alien metal print. Yup. Is that it? So this is what? Oh, hang on. Maybe this is... Maybe this is... Can I maybe put it up here? Huh? Is that what it's for? It sure does fit well. So I guess it's some kind of like stand for this, maybe? Oh, hang on. Gotta try and flip the box to see what kind of art there's inside. And maybe I should run a Benny Hill theme for this, because this might take a while. Ta-da! So, and this is kind of funny because, there you go. In the start of this video, I actually talked about the tank from the movie, which comes out of the dropship, and here it is. So that's kind of cool. I can't remember what it is called, and APC. No, area transportation something. I can't remember. Anyways, but that is cool. It does take up quite a bit of space, so I don't know if, as you can see, my shelves are a little occupied. So I don't know if I'm able to put this somewhere in my room, but I'll have to see. But this video has been taking a very long time, so I won't bother any of you guys anymore. But that is cool. This was the 30th anniversary crate of the Aliens movie from Loot Crate. I would like to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to press the button that looks something like this. And also subscribe to the channel and be the first to know when the next video will be up. In the meantime, you can go watch some of my other videos. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Gemmer and Instagram. Just look down below. If you have any questions or you want to contact me, you can find all my personal information in the description below. I am the Danish Looter and I wish you a great day. Bye! I got you, Jonesy! I got you! Ooh.